Welcome to MH class. Let's see. Today we'll discuss one question: word problems. How to solve this with the help of the LPP, linear programming problem. Okay. So what is the problem is given here? Reshma girl wishes to mix types of food P and Q. Two types of foods are there. One is P and Q in such a way that the vitamin contents of the mixture containing, so their mixture containing vitamins, at least 8 units of vitamin A. So two types of vitamins are there. One is vitamin A, another is vitamin B. At least 8 units of vitamin A and 11 units of vitamin B. So these points you have to keep on mind. Okay. Food P cost rupees 60 per kg. So food P cost rupees 60 per kg and food Q cost rupees 80 per kg. Food P contains 3 units per kg vitamin A, 5 units per kg vitamin B, and food Q contains 4 units per kg vitamin A and 2 units per kg of vitamin B. Determine the minimum of cost of the mixer. We need to find out the minimum of cost of mixer. So from this, if we make the table, then it will be easy to understand. Suppose let Reshma mix x kg of food P and y kg of food Q. Okay, and the mixer, to make the mixer, Z be the total cost of the mixer. Total cost of the mixer. Okay, to make the mixer, Z be the total cost of mixer. Now from this descriptions, try to make the table. Type, food type is there, vitamin type is there, this side. In the rows food type, in the columns vitamin types. Food P, food Q, and minimum requirement. See, food P we are taking X, food Q we are taking Y. Food P is X kg, food Q is Y kg. Okay. Vitamin A, in food P, vitamin A, food P contains 3 units vitamin A. So that's 3 units vitamin A. And food 3 units vitamin A and food Q contains 4 units of vitamin A, 4 units of vitamin A. Okay. Food P contains 5 units per kg of vitamin B, so vitamin B 5 units, and food Q contains 2 units of vitamin B, 2 units of vitamin B. Okay. Food P contains 5 units of vitamin B and food Q contains 5 units of vitamin B, and minimum vitamin A is 8 units. Here it is given minimum at least 8 units of vitamin A and 11 units of vitamin B. So vitamin A at least 8 units, vitamin B at least 11 units. And cost per kg also given. Cost per kg is equal 60. P is 60 per kg, P is 60 per kg, that's 60 per kg you have written, and Q is 80 per kg, Q is 80 per kg. Now we can make the LPP. The LPP is linear programming problem is what? Minimize, that is minimum. We determine the minimum value, so minimize Z is equal to what? 60x plus 80y, total cost. Okay, subject to the constraints. What are the subject to the constraint? So 3x plus 4y is minimum is 8. So more than this also you can take. So 3x plus 4y get or equal to 8. This is first constraint. Second constraint is 5 into x, 5 vitamin B, 5 in food P, vitamin B in food Q. So 5 into x, 5x, 2 into y, twice y, 5x plus twice y, max minimum is 11. So 5x plus twice y get or equal to 11. And this x and y, whatever we are using, x kg, y kg, always positive. So x, y get or equal to 0. Okay. So this is the main thing. If we can make it, then it is easy to solve it. No problem. So first we have to make the LPP. So our LPP finished. Now we have to draw the graph of the constraints. For this we have to take the constraint as an equation and we make the table. So we are taking the constraints as an equation. 3x plus 4y is equal to 8, first equation, and the second equation 5x plus twice y is equal to 11. So So if we put for this equation, if we put x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, y is equal to what, 2, and if we put y is equal to 0, x is equal to what, 8 by 3. For this, if we put x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 11 by 2, and if we put y is equal to 0, x is equal to 11 by 2. So these are the points. You have to plot these points on the graph paper. Now see the graph paper. This is the graph paper. Okay, this is x axis, this is y axis. So first, for the first equation, what is given? X is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. X is equal to 0, y is equal to, this is the point, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. Okay, this is the point. And x is equal to 8 by 3, y is equal to 0. This is the point, x is equal to 8 by 3. This is the point 8 by 3 comma 0. Okay. And if we draw the line, this line represents 3x plus 4y is equal to y. This is the graph. Now see, this in equation divides the planes in two halves, upper half and lower half. Now which half will be the solution for this? Here it is given. What is given here? 3x plus 4y is greater than, always greater than 8. Okay, 3x plus 4y greater or equal to 8. So if we put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, 3 into 0 is 0, y is equal to 0, 0 greater or equal to 8. So 0 is greater or equal to 8. Is it possible? No. Which is false, which is false, which is false. Okay, which is not true. If it is false, then the plane, the solution will be that plane away from the origin. Here we are taking origin 0, 0. So the plane, the solution of the equations will be away from the origin. So two parts, one is containing origin, another is not containing, away from the origin. So this away from the origin, this part will be the solution of the inequations. Okay. Next equation is what? 5x plus 2y is equal to 11. So x is equal to 0, 11 by 2. This point is 0, 11 by 2. And another is 11 by 2, 5. So this point is 11 by 2, 5. This is the point 11 by 2, 11 by 5, 0. This point is 11 by 5, 0. And if we join this line, then this line will get, and this is the equation of 5x plus 2 so is equal to 11. This is the equation of the graph. Now here also what is given? 5x plus twice y greater or equal to 11. If we put 0, 0, 5 into 0 is 0 plus 2 into 0 is 0 is greater or equal to 11. So 0 is greater or equal to, is it possible? Which is not possible, which is false, which is false. Okay. So this solution also not containing the origin. That means what? This part, and what is the common part? Common part is this part is the common part. This is the common part. This is the common part for both the solution. That means what? This is the feasible region, and this feasible region is unbounded feasible region, which is unbounded. In the graph says that this is unbounded solution. Okay, not bounded. Is it bounded? No, it is open, unbounded. So what are the corner points? Corner points is A 8 by 2, 8 by 3, 0. A is 8 by 3, 0. B is 2, 1 by 2, and C is 0, 11 by 2. These are the corner points. Now we have to find out the values of the corner points of this. Okay, let's see. Here it is written. Let us draw the graph. We have drawn the graph. The feasible region is ABC is shown in the figure, which is unbounded, told that one. The coordinates of the corner points of the feasible region is A 8 by 3, 0, B is 2, half, and C is 0, 11 by 2. Okay. Now the corner points value. These values is what? At 8, x is equal to 8 by 3, y is equal to 0. So if you put x is equal to 8 by 3, y is equal to 0, z is equal to what? 60 into 8 by 3. 360 cancel, so 160. Next, z is equal to what? At b 2, half, 2 is, then it will get what? 120 plus 40, again 160. Next, 0, 11 by 2, 0 is 0, this one 11 by 2, 40 into 11, so what will get? 440. So this is the minimum, this is the minimum. We asked to find out the minimum, no need to maximum. This is maximum, maximum will not take. Minimum at how many points? At two points, that is at a is equal to 8 comma 3 8 by 3 comma 0, at b is equal to 2.5. These 2 points, the minimum values will get. Okay, this minimum values will get. Clear? Since feasible region is bounded, unbounded, not bounded, so we have to determine whether z is equal to 160 is the minimum value or not. Now consider the linear constraints defined by the inequality 60x plus 80y less than 160. If we make it simple form, if we divide by 20, what will get? 3x plus 4y less than 8. That means this line is the line 3x plus 4y less than 8. Okay, this line is that. Clear? So less than this, that means what? On this, in this line segment, there is a 8 by 3 comma 0 and 2b 2 comma 1 by 2. In this line segment, that will be the minimum. Okay. Now the open half plane, this 3x plus 4y less than 8 and feasible region have no common points. They don't have any common points. Thus z is minimum at all the points. No common points. Infinite number of common points. All the points lying on the line segment joining 8 by 3 comma 0 and 2 comma half. Okay. This is the line. This is the line for the maximum objective function. Same thing. Objective function was what? 3x plus 4y less than 8. That means 3x plus 4y is equal to 8. Less than 8 means this part will come. So they don't have any common point. They have what? This is the region, not a single common point. That infinite number of common points are there. So whatever the values, minimum values, that will lies on this line segment only. Okay. What is the line segment? A 8 by 3 comma 0, A 8 by 3 comma 0 and B 2 comma half. In this line segments, the value will be the minimum, and minimum cost is what? Rupees 160, because here we are getting the minimum value is 160. So minimum cost of this mixer is rupees 160 per kg. Okay. So this is the solution of this question. I hope all of you understand. If any doubt, let me know. I will try to my best to solve the problem. I will try to my best to clear your concept. Okay. So try the remaining yourself. If any doubt, let me know. Thank you. Have a nice day.